See now they given some data. We need to solve 21 and 22. Alright. So these are two multiple choice questions type. Assume x, y, z, w and p are matrices of order x, y, z and w of matrices of order 2 cross n, 3 cross k, 2 cross p, n cross 3 and p cross k. This is of order x, this one of order y. Next this is of order 2 cross and p also is it. So this is of order w, this is of order p matrix, capital P matrix. This is the order of the matrices they given. 21 question you see. The restriction on n, k and p, n, k and p, so that py plus wy is will be defined. Option A k equal to 3, p equal to n. Option B k is arbitrary, p equal to 2. Option C p is arbitrary, k equal to 3. Option D k equal to 2, p equal to 3. So which is defined? Py and wy is defined. Py and wy is defined. You see this one, no? How we are solving it? This one you see. From this y is common, no? So p plus w into y. P plus w into y. P plus w, sum of the two matrices is exist. If in which case if they are having the same order, and that means p and w orders are same. P and w. What is the p matrix? Where p matrix this one, w matrix this one. That means n cross 3 order is equals to p cross k. From this what you are getting? K is equals to 3 and n is equals to p. Right? Next this product is existing. That means pw into y is existing. So that is equals to nothing but this total is equals to y matrix. What is the matrix y? Y matrix is 3 cross k. Y matrix is 3 cross k. So what you are getting? This matrix is 3 cross k. P plus w matrix. P plus w matrix is this matrix. That means n cross p. That means n is equals to what we are getting? P. So n cross 3 or p cross 3. So p cross 3 we are writing. These are equal. That means p is equals to 3, k is equals to 3. P is equals to 3, k is equals to 3 is the right answer. So which one option you are they given? K is equals to 3, n is equals to p they given. This is the option A is the right answer for this question. Otherwise if they given p equal to 3, k equal to 3 also, this is also correct answer. Sometimes they are asking like this also in competitive exams. Right? This is the right answer for this question. Next coming to 22 question you see. Last question, 22 question. N is equals to p, n is equals to p, then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z, 7x minus 5z is, if these addition or multiplication, addition or subtraction is exist, in which case is existing? If they are having the same order. That means order of x is equals to order of z. Order of x is equals to order of z. What is the order of the x matrix? 2 cross n is equals to order of z is 2 cross p. 2 cross p. So that what we are getting? P is equals to n. P is equals to n is the matrix. So the order of p is equals to n we are getting. So order of this matrix is nothing but order of the x or order of the z. Order of the x is equals to what? Order of the x is 2 cross n, 2 cross n, or order of z is 2 cross p, 2 cross p. So which one they given? 2 cross n is there in option B. In option B, they given 2 cross n. So option B is the right answer for this question. Okay.